How to add WhatsApp button to Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up WhatsApp on a device. Then tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now simply tap on settings. Then tap on the QR icon. Now simply tap on share button. Now select any of your chat. Then tap on send. Now open up the chat and copy the link. Now go back to Instagram. Then tap on your story. Now select any photo or video as a background. Then tap on sticker icon. Then tap on link. Now paste the WhatsApp link. Then tap on customize sticker text. Now type WhatsApp. Then tap on done. Now tap on the sticker to change the style. Then tap on share. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.